In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change page size in Figma. Let's start by opening your design. In Figma, what many people think of as the page size is actually the size of a frame. A page can hold multiple frames, and each frame acts like an artboard with its own dimensions. So first, select the page you are working in, then click to select the specific frame you want to resize. If you are unsure what you've selected, glance at the right sidebar. It will show frame in the header when the correct layer is active. The quickest way to adjust size is by dragging. With the frame selected, hover over an edge or corner until you see the resize cursor. Then click and drag to the new size. If child elements are set up with constraints that cause them to shift or stretch as you resize, you can temporarily ignore those constraints while dragging by holding Command on Mac or Control on Windows. That's helpful when you want the outside dimensions to change, but keep the contents where they are. For precise dimensions, use the Properties panel. Keep the frame selected and look to the right sidebar for the W and H fields, which stand for width and height. Type the exact numbers you need, and the frame updates instantly. This method is perfect for matching brand specifications or handing off accurate sizes to a developer. If something looks off after changing values, you can always undo and try again. If you'd rather start from standard device sizes, use presets. With the frame selected, find the frame section in the right sidebar, and choose a predefined device like phone or desktop. This instantly applies common dimensions, which is great for creating consistent layouts across multiple screens or when you need to align with typical viewport sizes. Finally, if you want to change not just the frame but also scale everything inside it proportionally, use the Scale tool. Press K on your keyboard, then click and drag the frame. Text, images, strokes, and effects will scale together, preserving relative proportions. This is especially handy when you've completed a layout and need it a bit larger or smaller without readjusting individual elements. If the result isn't what you expected, use undo and try a different approach. That's it. Thanks for watching.